Okay, I'm working on a old Snowflight track or a snowblower, and I noticed that the gear shifter, it's really hard to shift it from gear to gear. So basically, this lever's not working right. Looks like somebody's made a new panel, which is okay. And what I'll do here is take that panel off just to have the look to see what is going on here. With the gear shifter. Might be a simple fix. Hopefully. It's gonna take a little while. Oh boy. Long enough screw. Looks like somebody's did some improvisations, but you know what? All this does is keep the snow out, so they must have lost the plate for this, I see. And yeah. Look at the solid wheels on this old thing. Pure solid. It runs not bad. I had it running. So I just wanted to show you if your snowblower kind of is hard to shift gears, it might be just a simple solution. So you get in, take your plate off, which might be a little bit different than this plate because this is homemade. But here we go. Okay, so we're into the gravy of it. Okay, it's got a friction wheel in there, you can see. Now, this pulls on this lever. It's your gear shift lever. And this will make this slide across here. So now, when your gears are spinning, you're gonna lube up all these chains and everything with some good lube. But when these gears are spinning, all that does is it moves this wheel on that other wheel. And it touches and then it changes the speed. So the further it is out to the end of the friction wheel. Now you just want to make this slide good. This is not the right stuff to be using. I'm just doing for example here. So now once this is starting to see, that'll solve your hard shifting. Oh yeah, see, look at that. Way better, way easier. So you don't want to get too much oil. Look at, I got oil on the friction wheel. That's not good. So you want to clean all that crap up off. So when you're oiling that up, you want to make sure that you're not spraying up this wheel, because that's what drives everything. This wheel presses against that wheel, drives your auger, drives everything. So anyways, so you find where this slides back and forth, if yours is at the same system, and you make sure that it slides nice now. And let's just have a look now. Pull her back down. And it just makes things just a whole lot easier. Oh yeah, way better. So now actually when you're using it, you want to shift gears quicker and bam. But like I said, don't get too much grease or oil on the friction wheels that drive the actual machine, because you'll get slipping, right? So that's how to fix a sticky gear shifter. This I could hardly remove. Now it's starting to work kind of proper. Also, you could look into maybe some low temperature grease and just get that cleaned up, or even clean it off completely. Then kind of grease it up with some maybe lithium or something. But it's a nice little easy fix. So that if you find you're having a real hard time shifting gears, trace her down. There you go, guys. I get this old Snowflight just started up. My daughter needs a snowblower, so it's just ugly as sin, but it works well. So I'm gonna surprise her with it. She's not gonna like it, but you know what? You gotta be practical with stuff. If it works, beats shoveling. Didn't cost a whole arm and a leg. Reliable machine. Let's see if it starts. Put her on. I'm real happy with this old girl. No primer hooked up, so somebody's changed the carb on it. So well, maybe not today. Oh, there we go. That's the problem there. You shut off. Okay. Put the choke on. Oh. Gotta love it. Don't want to wake my neighbors up. Been playing too much with the old snow blowers, but there you go. Right on. Stay tuned.